Hi everybody, welcome to Quilt Patch Fabrics. We're a full-service quilt shop at 1017 Stallings Road in Stallings, North Carolina. Phone number is 704-821-7554. I'm Deborah and I'm going to show you how to make a furoshiki carry bag. Furoshiki is the Japanese art of fabric folding. This is the simplest of all the bags and we'll be using the leather Miyako handles today. They come in a variety of colors. And this is what makes it work beautifully. Just this ingenious little notch right there. So very simple bag. You take your fabric square. I'm using a mochi linen because it has a nice weight. I have washed and put this in the dryer. I did not hem it because a hem will add bulk to your knots, which we're going to be making. I love this because it's temporary, it's interchangeable. I'll use this for a little while as a bag, and then I'll take it apart. I'll put it back in my fabric stash to use someday for something else. And I'll use a different fabric. Completely interchangeable. So I'm going to fold this simple square into a triangle. And you'll see it's not exact. It doesn't have to be. I'm going to take the folded end of the triangle and make a knot. Want to leave about an 8-inch tail on that knot. Pattern says 20 centimeters. It's around 8 inches. So there we go. Now I'm going to take the other folded side of the triangle and make another knot. And I want them to be approximately the same size, and I think that's close enough. So now I'm going to take my handle and my fabric, and a little cheat sheet over here. Okay, so I'm going to start down here. Here we go. Come in from the back and through that left-hand slit. I'm doing it again. Come in from the back on the left-hand side. And I'm going to go around and come in from the back on the right-hand side. And then that makes kind of a little loop on the back. And you're going to pull the tail through that loop and then tighten it like a tie. Makes it very strong. Okay, now we're going to come around and do the other loose triangle. Again, in from the back and around, in on the right. Oh, got my thumb stuck. And turn it over. See that little loop? Pull that through. And tighten it like a tie. All right, now we just flip those big knots in that we made at first. Flip those knots to the inside. Kind of fluff it out a little bit. And there we have our beautiful, simple, reusable, interchangeable furoshiki bag. Now this bag fits so much stuff you would not believe. So I'm just going to start throwing things in here. We have our little garland kits. Got 4 of these garland kits. Just going to throw them in there. I have an EPP, great for travel. There we go. Got my grippy for the back of my ruler, keep it from slipping. Of course, I gotta bring my fabric. Gotta have my fabric. and more fabric. Absolutely. Got my cape umbrella, just in case it rains. Stick that in there. Here we go. And now I am ready to rock and roll with my furoshiki bag. This is great for the pool, the beach, a kid's party, a grown-up party, a class, a quilt class, visiting friend's house, grocery shopping. I mean, it's ridiculous how useful this bag is. And completely interchangeable. I might swap this out for a Christmas print in a couple of weeks. And then I might do a winter print. I could do it for Valentine's Day. But the beauty is it's reusable. So you can use it this way for a little while and then take it apart and use it a different way. This is the Miyako handles and the booklet. It has 3 patterns. This is the furoshiki bag right here. And it is the simplest, I think, of all the bags. And I hope you enjoyed our demonstration. Have a great day.